I think that kneading bread is like a ritual. And for every woman who's been a mother, just patting it, and it just, you've got your hands with flour. It's like just patting your baby with flour. For me, it is a very mindful art. And I found that when I started making it, it was my go-to. It was my thing that I wanted to do every day. I wanted to make at least 1 loaf a day. But I started out by making 3 loaves and sometimes 6. And then people started wanting it. And I love offering it because for me, it is an offering of my mindfulness, mindful of my mother, mindful of my legacy, mindful of my grandmother, mindful of the aromatherapy that happens. I'm a massage therapist, so I love aromatherapy, and the house just smells so good. It smells like cinnamon and apples or basil and herb or lavender. It's just so wonderful.